Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk about ConnectPlaza Deploy. This is our way of really deploying your app integration, APIs and connectors easily and directly from the cloud, with only one mouse click. Installing and deploying integration flows used to be difficult and time-consuming, but with Deploy, this task becomes easy and quick. ConnectPlaza Deploy handles the connections to all your active runtime environments and helps you deploy all your interface bundles directly. By clicking on the interface we wish to deploy, we choose which version of the bundle we need to deploy. From here we can choose the correct version we need to have installed and click on it. By clicking the Install button, we can directly and without any problems deploy an interface to our runtime. No additional technical skills or hardware knowledge, or even access to the target platform is required to perform these actions. Whenever there is an update available, you'll be directly notified by Deploy. Updating a bundle is as simple as choosing the newer version and repeating this process, and we can even choose to specify environmentally specific settings, such as URLs, credentials, and other settings that are needed during deployment. It's that simple. Interested in more? Be sure to click like and subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos on ConnectPlaza. Thanks for watching.